Hey, what's good, everyone? Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. Welcome to the page. My name is Eddie Chiba. Today, we're going to talk about this new strategy I learned from the team, Larry Porter, who is my inviter's husband, Yumika Porter. So, Larry Porter, Yumika Porter, that's who I signed under. They have some good videos here on YouTube. You can learn some good information. You can also follow and subscribe to them. Okay, what we're going to go here: how to double your gift, how to join, how to get signed up, and how to double your gifts. And this strategy is working. I've been seeing results, and I'm gonna show you right now. So you're asking, how did we get to this page right here? Okay, this is my back office. This will be everybody's back office. How do we get to this page right here? So click on the link below, or someone's link. Someone send you a link, family or a friend, or highly of you. They sent you a link. This will be the link right here. You end up going to a page like this. So let's highlight everything here again. So you end up going to a page like this, your eternal seed. You read what it's about, how it works. You read everything. This is the gifting process right here. There are 5 levels. You read all that. You like what you read. You like what you're reading. You have the frequently asked questions. We're not going to go over all of this for time being. So let's see. Let's go over here. We come back. We like what we read, what we saw. Click join us. You get a registration form. That's my page. That'll be my link under here. You sign on that. First name, last name, Gmail, email, phone. Create a 4-digit PIN code for your password just in case you forget. Your username, password. That's it. Once you do that, you end up on this page. Obviously, you won't have all of this because you'll be a new member, so you won't hop on a board. But everyone starts from this $25 board. Everyone. But remember, don't join the board if you're not ready to send the gift. Most people will just take you off that board. If you don't send a gift within 24 hours. So make sure you're ready to send a $25 gift. Forget about all these numbers here. Just this is where everyone begins. So once you click on this, it'll look like this. You'll place yourself on a board, so you're basically kind of controlling your own destiny right here. So you place yourself. You'll be a freshman here. This is the freshman, the eighth freshman. This is myself right here. This FOMA. We have our own page, Mika. The person I signed under, my inviter, is right here at the senior level. She will be receiving gifts from these 8 freshmen. $25 from these 8 freshmen. That's how that works. So, I signed myself up twice. So I went in, put one here and one here. FOMA J did the same thing on this side. I'll show you how it used to look. But this is where we place ourselves. So let's just go on my side right here. I placed myself on 1 and 2. So once I graduated, I went up. I had 2 slots here on the sophomore level. This is how it used to look. I was down here. Look at this real good. My name, FOMA J, right here on 1 and 4. This board closed. Imagine this imaginary line right here. So now we have this side. Everyone moves up. Mika P went up to senior. The Good Life went up to junior on both sides. Myself and FOMA J moved up to sophomore on both sides. This is how that looks now. See how we just moved up? And now there's 8 new freshmen. Everybody moved up. So Mika P is the one now getting gifted from 8 freshmen. That's how that works. So you would have 2 slots. So once everyone here moves up, I will go on a junior level, have our own board. FOMA J will have her own board. She will go on the junior level. The gift and Good Life will go up on the senior level. There will be a brand new set of sophomore and freshman folks to be gifting the senior. So that's how that works. So remember, this board right here is the same as when you first sign up. Same thing. See the names? So you sign up here twice under your inviter, whoever it is FOMA J, you sign up there once, twice. And someone else will sign up there twice. That'll fill up the board. So whichever side gets filled up first, they'll get a new board. And once these 8 freshmen sign up, this board will retire. So this board right here is how it looks here when you see it on your back office. See how that looks? Simple. Mika P, Gifting Good Life, myself, 8 new freshmen, and 4 more J. Once either side fills up, 1 through 4 or 5 through 8, this board splits. This is another board that I'm on, another $25 board because of this doubling process. So I'm right here. We just started this new doubling process. Double your gift, and you have Saya Ellis Bohr twice. And I'm gonna show you how that looks now. This was a few weeks ago or last week, a few days ago actually. Board updated. Boom, went up to here. Now Saya has her own side on the sophomore level. Ellis Bohr has her own side on the sophomore level on the other side, 1 through 4 and 5 through 8, and everybody jumped up one. See how it looked before? She get her own page. Remember, this imaginary line. These 4 people jumped up because they finished this side first. So, boom, it goes here. Now, once she already signed 2 people, let's say 2 more people sign here. This side will close, and she'll jump up to junior. And these 4 people have their own sophomore board. And the board won't completely retire until all 8 freshmen gift to senior. That's how that works. Very simple process. And this is how you double the gifting. So remember, you get sent the link from one of your friends, or you click the link on the bottom. You're going to get this page. You read the free page completely, read everything, read what it's all about. You like what you read, what you saw, click join us, get the registration form. Once you do that, you'll be here on my page. Right here where it says activated. I'm going to show you my invitees, because they have their phone numbers there. And we don't want to do that. So I have 10 invitees. From those 10 invitees, I've already finished one $25 board, 2 $25 boards. I'm on another senior on another $25 board here. And I'm also on another $25 board, which I think I'm a junior. So I'm a senior right here. This will be, retired soon. So I retired 2 of them. I'm retired another one. And I'm also on the $100 board as a senior. So from $25 for my first gift up here, I'm also all the way down here. So I retired 2 $25 boards. I'm about to retire another one here and a $100 board. So that's how it works. When you retire this $25 board, once you get gifted, you jump on the 100. Once you jump on the 100, you do that, you get $200 from the $25, eight gifts, giving you $25. That equals 200. You take 100, you go to the $100 board. So you left with 100. What you do again, you re-gift on the $25 board twice. You just went over, and so on and so forth. When you finish this $100 spot, when you get gifted from this $100 spot, that'll be $800. You take 500 from the 800, go on this board. And you moved up that level to the $500 board. Then you also jump back here to this $25 and gift twice. So your name will be constantly followed up. Remember, the bottom, the $25 board is what pushes everything up. You don't ever sign or put anyone new on these other boards. You constantly go back to the $25 board and you help the team push up. You help everybody push up. This $25 board pushes everything up. Simple process. On this $500 board, you'll get gifted 500 from 8 people. That'll be what, $4,000. Take 1,000, go to the next board. Then you go back here to the $25 board, re-gift there, and everyone who signed under you will follow you. So it'll just be rotating, and as more people sign on, it'll go quicker. From there, you go to the 3,000. 3,000, you're going to get gifted by 8 people, $3,000. That's 24 racks. You know what I'm saying? So that's 24 stacks right here when you get up to this point. So I would stay on this board right here, 3,000. Just invest back in, re-gift back in this 3,000, and then go back and put 2 more slots over here. So now as it goes all the way around, you're probably on each board. So you're constantly going to get gifted, doubling it. So that's the strategy for this right here. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. I think it's working for me. I've been getting gifted from 2 boards already. I'm about to be gifted from this $100 board and this other $25 board right here. So it's been working. Seeing results, and most of the results I've been seeing while I sleep. I wake up in the morning, I see something on my PayPal, my Zelle account. So it's working. So with that note, you already know how to get started. Sign that registration form, get on here, and do what you got to do. See the results. Like I said, if you like what you heard, what you saw, click on that subscribe, like, comment, share. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a happy holidays. Merry Christmas.